Zip codes, they're more than just a mailing issue. This is Carl from Remodeling Marketing Team, and if you have not scheduled your strategy session with us, be sure and do that. Zip codes, we all know, are used for traditional mail. They're used for direct mail, bulk mail, things of that nature. But what you may not realize is that you can actually use zip code targeting with both your social media ads on Facebook and Instagram, and also with your Google, Microsoft, Bing, Yahoo search ads. And where this becomes really helpful to you as a home remodeling company, depending on the area of the country you're in. For example, I'm here in Wichita, Kansas. We are in the middle of Tornado Alley, and it is not uncommon to have large hailstorms, tornadoes, downbursts, things like that create just a huge groundswell of activity for home remodeling businesses, people needing to replace roofs and windows and siding and wanting all of those types of services very quickly. And so one of the things you're able to do with your advertising is create a campaign that focuses on those 1, 2, 3 zip codes that have been affected and strategically advertise into those areas. The other thing that zip codes are really valuable for is there are certain areas of your community that are going to be more desirable business locations for you. And this allows you to target your ideal prospects. Are there certain neighborhoods you'd like to do more work in? Are there certain areas that maybe you want to avoid? You can do that by using strategic zip code targeting as part of your online advertising strategy. Hope you find this helpful. Talk to you again soon.